Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. You already know what we are going to do, so let's get started. First of all, type cutout.pro, press enter, and wait for a few seconds. And this website will open up. This website has many useful AI tools, but today we are going to use this AI tool. First, you need to sign up to this website to use this model. I have already logged into my account. Now we will use Sketch Rendering AI tool. Click on it, and this interface will show up. Let's do some settings before we upload our sketch. There are lots of options for different scenes. Now come over here to Interior Design, then click on Bedroom option, and these AI models will show up. I will select this model. Now select Render Mode. I prefer Precise Renderer will work great. Now upload your sketch. You can draw your own sketch. Let's make this bigger. Now select your sketch and click on OK. You just need to click on Generate to start the process. But if you want more details, then you can write a prompt. Now click on Generate. It will take some time. The results will not be crisp and HD, but we will enhance it with an AI tool. As you can see, the results remarkably match the sketch. This is free version, so you can only download one image. Click on Download icon to download it. Now let's try another model. Click on Architecture, then select the Creative Innovation. And select the Precise Rendering mode. Now upload your sketch. Select your sketch and click on OK. This sketch does not have any details like trees, garden, and sky, so we need to write a prompt. Now click on Generate. This is also amazing. Let's download this image as well. Click this icon to download it. Let's try another model. This time I will use Product Design. Click on Furniture. Scroll down a little bit. Now select Industrial Rustic Model. Then select the Precise Rendering mode. Clear the previous prompt and upload your sketch. Select your image and click on Open. Now I will write a prompt because this sketch feels empty. Now click on Generate. Let's download this image. Now we need to upscale all the images that we generated. Now type AI Image Enhancer for free and press Enter. Now click on this page. Click on Upload Image and select your image. It will automatically enhance your image. You can upscale your image up to 4 times for free. Now download your image. I will speed up the video for other images. Now I will show you side by side the upscaled image and the original image. As you can see the difference. The upscale one is more clear, while the original one is blurry. Same for the other images. This is it, friends. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your opinions.